Hello everyone. I'm here recording my journey on trading the stock market. I'm hoping this will help me in the future just easy review my trades in the future so I can look at the past and learn from it. I did 3 trades today, one in Moderna and two on SPX. And in Moderna I went long around 175, and the reason why I went long is because the market was having a lot of hope after Google earnings. So we are in a decline market with the Fed's trying to increase rate, inflation. Market were at the highest last year, at the highest they could, and we are down right now. I was trying to see if we did hit a bottom. Right now we're bouncing up, and so here at the open we saw a nice push up, and then there was a pullback at this candle, at the third candle of the day, and it did pull back. And the next candle where I entered, we made a new high of the day. That gave me the confirmation, like, oh, okay, we're making a new highs of the day, and the market looks great. It looks green. Okay, I'm going long here, and I was risking. So a new high of the day. I was looking at the last high of the day, and that's where I will stop. 174.50. That was my stop loss, and we went so close to it. We went like literally. I think we did hit that, but it was so fast I didn't exit it. So here we did cancel it, and we had a pullback. It was near to my stop loss. I did not get out, and then we pulled back up, and in the next candle we had a nice push to the upside, and that's where I exited at 176ish. I made, and I did make oh my bad, I did make 45 in that trade. That's pretty good in a matter of like 4 minutes. But what it really matters is I did follow my plan, and that's the most important thing. I did follow my plan, so my plan works. And then next is on SPACs. So while I'm in Moderna, I was shorting SPACs, and the reason why I was shorting is because we have gap here. So after Google earnings, the market did push up, and Google did went up like very very huge, and Google is strong company, is in all index with a huge percentage. It does move the indexes, and I was hoping like, oh, okay, in SPX, maybe we're gonna like see a fill gap and then make a new high of the day or anything like that. And I did enter a short around here, and while I was profiting in Moderna, I was losing here, SPACs. And my stop loss was at 45.80, like right here. Let me draw a line. This is my stop loss at the yellow line, and around the other green line, I did enter another contract. This, I did not follow my plan, because on my plan right now I'm still at the process of building a cushion or building a capital to be to get like into huge trades. But why did I enter here? It's because I was near to my stop loss, so I was risking another 30 to 20 bucks. It didn't matter to me, but to my blind that matters a lot because I did not follow my guides, and my guides is do not get into a trade more than 20 to 30% of your account. And this account I started last month with 1,000. I think 150, something. Not that much, but I did withdraw so money wrong. So 1,000. When I traded, I was like at 1,000. And I did enter another contract. We saw a consolidation and then another rejection here. We doubled back down and we made a new low of the day. That's where I exited my first candle and my first contract. And I did stop my my stop loss from this yellow line here. And the reason why I did that, because right now this is the old low of the day, and if we're coming back to it, or maybe let's say we balance from it and we push back up, this is could be a pullback just kind of fill this gap, and then we're making new highs of the day. So around here, I was also we're near the VWAP. So I was looking at level 2 data to just see if we could see a bonus, like if we could see a push to the upside. And what I saw was a rejection. Level 2 data wouldn't break the 45.65, wouldn't break that, and that gave me the confirmation of like, oh, this could be a pullback and we could make another low of the day. So I did enter another contract here and I sold it around here. I sold it for the new low of the day. And that's it. So my second trading specs, I did follow my plan. But the first one, because I added another contract to my old position, that was not my plan at the beginning. So the first, I'll give it C minus, and the second trade I'll give it A.